That would be kind of fun. Did it mess up like Kathy as in you lost pieces? I hope you didn't. The plum blossom one on your dresser. Your cat keeps messing with that. Is that? Actually, if I take these out, I don't want to mess it up. No, if I move them, I feel like they're balanced. But yeah, the cherry blossom or plum blossom, like the one that's the 2 stems, it's so cute. It doesn't move, Jordan. They missed out on that. I feel like that would have been a great idea. The bonsai tree is so fun. You did it half and half. So some is green and some is pink. Wait, well, oh, does it come with both pieces so you have 2 options? That's so fun. It's cute that you say that because I was noticing when we were reading the instructions on the orchid, they were kind of suggesting that. They're like, if you want to kind of modify the stems, make some longer, make some shorter, not use all the blooms, add more blooms to one than the other. I love that they suggested that. I thought that was so cute. Thank you for the lurk, Fish. I do appreciate it. You always feel like you're tired, so you might be in and out. No problem. Get your rest. I appreciate you coming in to say hi. Still have the pieces, just haven't fixed it. Need to do that. Yeah, change it to half green, half pink. I love that that's an option. I mean, I'm biased. I feel like I would say just do the pink, but whatever y'all want. Okay, so the first step is all the green pieces and then 2 little black dots. These are so small. Has anyone else done these like teeny tiny, like off-brand Legos? I feel like I'm just delicately grabbing all these pieces. And look at how small that is. Look at this little red piece compared to my nail. Oh, you did pink the first time. They're little